Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's vlog, we're bringing you another DIY pontoon episode. Matt is doing some demo work to prep for installation of the new vinyl flooring. So hit that subscribe button and come along in this adventure with us. So as I had stated in a previous vlog, we had bought a used pontoon boat that we are doing some DIY work to. And the next step of our DIY project is to replace the flooring. I had also said in a previous vlog that we are going to replace the flooring with new boat vinyl flooring. I'll post a link up above of that vlog so you can check that out. But today, Matt is going to do some demo work to prep for it. He's not going to install the flooring today, but I figured I'd show you what he does to demo the boat and prep to install it on a future vlog. So to recap, here is the boat vinyl we are going to use. It has a nice pattern to it. Matt actually got this from a boat supply store. He got a really good deal on it, and it's like a giant roll of stuff. He will not be installing this today, but rather we are going to show you the prep work. So the first part of the boat vinyl floor replacement project is he actually has to remove all the kind of furniture items. So he will be demoing, and I say demo, he's not gonna completely destroy them, but you know, like taking the table off, taking this chair off, this center console. He's got these two chairs right here. So that is the first step. And then the next step is actually removing the old carpeting. And it's actually a little bit more involved of a task because there's carpeting on these things back here too. So he's got to remove all that. Like this is carpet, so it's a very involved project which will probably take him the whole weekend. So hey guys, Matt is done demoing the main stuff on the pontoon boat. You can see behind me, it's basically just a deck. He took off all the railings, he took off the seats, everything. The only thing he has to do is the center console, so he's finishing taking out or unhooking all the wires, so he's gonna take that off. And then he's going to start ripping up the carpet. So we will show a time-lapse video of him doing that. As you can see, this is a tedious process. In this clip, Matt is using his random orbital disc sander to remove the remnants of the carpet and old glue. Matt needs a clean surface for the boat vinyl to adhere to. done with the pontoon boat demo. So as you can see, everything is just basically down to bare wood on top of the pontoons, exactly what we wanted. As you could see in the time-lapse video, after he took off the carpet, there was still some of that foam backing on there, so he had to sand it down, right down, so it was nice and smooth. And then there was one more step that I did not show where he used putty to fill in some cracks and some holes so it's nice and smooth to get ready for the next step. So I'm going to end the vlog right here. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can see the next vlog in this series. You're not going to want to miss out on that fun adventure. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed some of the time-lapse videos. We have a lot of vlogs to come because, as you can see, we have a lot of work to do on our pontoon boat. Thank you for joining us. Remember, it's a beautiful world out there, so go out there and find your adventure. See you real soon. Bye.